how the mountains are here. They go straight up. So we're having a hard time finding forest roads. Look how green and beautiful this is. Wow. We will continue to look. Y'all, this is a crazy, crazy National Forest campground. We seen the sign and we didn't realize it was basically in the rest area. This is Lolo, Montana. It's on both sides of the interstate.
And you access it by
90, Interstate 90.
Well, you access it by coming into the rest area.
Exactly.
We missed it because we didn't understand that. This is the first time we've ever run across a campground tied into a rest area.
It's different, that's for sure.
Different.
It's going to cost us a whole $5 for tonight. Woohoo! I guess we're going to the other side. We're going through a tunnel. Okie dokie. Okay, let's go see if we can find a spot. This is a good campground for just a stopover, 1 or 2 nights. And all of the campsites have the concrete blacktop, a fire pit, and a picnic table. No electric, but there is water. Mr. Childers is actually right there at the water spigot, right next to our rig. So everybody in here runs a generator. So you have the generators, the traffic, the planes, and the trains. That's the way it goes sometimes. They have flushing toilets in Loop C. There's a camp host in every loop on this side of the interstate. And the reason the other side is closed down is because they couldn't find a host. And they have these little water pedestals here. At least 3 of them in each loop. And if you look, there is the dump station. So they have everything you need. It is a gorgeous forest. The only downside to this whole campground is it's right off of Interstate 90. Tons of ponderosa pines.
Very clean. Just a sink and toilet, urinal.
Sweet.
Ooh, bears.
Bears?
Bears.
Bears?
They like the trash cans up here.
Oh yeah. Oh boy. Yikes. Oh, y'all see the difference? See the difference? Oh, we seen Mr. Humpback right here.
Right up.
Oh yeah. This is black bear like they have in most of the country. But this grizzly right here, that's a mean son of a gun.
Oh.
Oh, what? Uh-huh. I don't want to be messing with no grizzly. Mr. Childers will fight the grizzly.
I'll run. That's a nice campground. Can't beat it, $5.
Seriously.
We're looking for a place to camp at the end of the day. Sometimes you just got to pay. That's just the way it is.
Yeah.
But it's not going to break the bank.
There we go. Riding through the campground so y'all can see what it looks like. All the ones on the front side here are pull-throughs. And these, yeah, and these on the left side are back ends.